Summarize a text means to take something you've read and shrink it down to its main points. There are a few things you'll want to make sure you do when you summarize a text. First, make sure the information that you present is in the same order as what you read: beginning, middle, and end. It helps to use transition words like first, then, next, and finally, so the reader can easily follow the order. Another thing you'll want to do is leave out details that aren't needed to understand the main points. To focus on main ideas rather than unimportant details, make sure you're focusing on the big picture or the overall message. For example, let's say you're summarizing an article about recycling that includes this sentence: Germany and Austria recycle the most of their waste at a rate of more than 60%, whereas Spain and Finland recycle about 33%, and Croatia and Romania recycle less than 5% of their waste. Your audience doesn't need to know the exact percentages to understand the point. Instead, you can just say something like Germany and Austria recycle more than any other European country. Finally, stick to what the author says, and don't include your own opinions, even if you have a really strong one. Summaries are not a place for you to say what you think about the text. For example, in your summary about recycling, you wouldn't want to say, we should all be like Germany if we want to save the planet. If it doesn't say it in the article, then it doesn't belong in the summary. In the end, remember to keep your summary short, in order, focus on the big ideas instead of the small details, and to stick to what the author says, and you'll do great. Next time you summarize your day or weekend for someone, notice whether you follow all of the steps for a good summary. You probably already do.